Biakamal Kanor online TV channel. Tukon kalermi bikona ling. Rash Mishalat. Vice President in Jadid, Dr. Benjamin Bolmel. Take a ler Mishatup. Gwas eladja kwergatin pan. Kirma Yadit. Raja mem bikona kulu kwene. Rach Misha Tubela look. Kama ja. Nate Conte Langweni. Ray Wich Kaso Sudan. Ajan Dan and Banalinkel. Mi ajira ma jidit Kanwar online TV channel. Dong ajan changa nyam kaji go rejen o jender subscribe ko de lertiti de kan chumala shub kaji go rejen o ba daily notification bell der jetwany. Mete michi berech be chwa we ka inbox do. Gwaye en le ban linga jen gwasa me by president Bol Mel men pai kwany ki men pai las gwas vice president ne nyam ne waniga. Take a look, Mr. Tup, Mr. Community County Langweni, Tintere which Kaso Sudan, Kakui, social media. Kajan Lerame, Bejalat Katuknath, Kakore, Bejo Quinya, Katuk English. And look down at Tup Mweni, Ray which Kaso Sudan, Kiwimon, Shalat and Wonena, a Jenny Chuar kuëëth, social media. Ke chwar social media chwa je misuse ka do me jek chwa je lel la me jek madong pol yen witin lad yen wi jorten a jene chwa kuëëth ke chwa na kuëëth chit ke tiktok long wa jene dan chi so sudan che je dak ka de gana a chwa je mo che to bano de kuëëth kan poli ka lad jori tin lel ka social media a jene de ka pal ko gor kono so sudan bela winy megwa ka kujemo de ne diala kontin latke na jor ka social media de kapal ko ken wenten content ka social media ken wenten content be so sudan be ken rach ka kujemo gor jeno de yen social media de ne jakamo gwa mulus yerodun tin ka de yen bos kun de yen ka loten ba ashia bos kun chia ka de kwet ke chia ka de lat jor ay nyok ba kam no kun yen South Sudanese ba karodun shero dia kwet ka social media ko ladan ke la wode kon we dan de kon lat ke la da wonyam chiraje mo che je tup ba je shu kwen ya ko kore baraje yo ka thoknath no newly appointed vice president for economic cluster Dr. Benjamin Bolmel has encouraged South Sudanese youth in the country and diaspora to use social media responsibly, adding that misuse of social media could threaten the country's stability. In a speech shortly upon taking office, Dr. Bullmail emphasized that young people should abandon bad social media activities that could destabilize the country and focus on productive issues. The vice president said South Sudanese have to grow and respect leaders, stating that social media misuse can harm national unity. He further said that time has come for young people to engage in a meaningful work, contribute positively to the society instead of engaging in online conflict and negativity. Dr. Bullmail, the vice president of South Sudan, urged the young generation and the diaspora community to reconsider their engagement in social media discussion that could be negative to the country's stability. To the youth, your time has come, he said. Stop this bad behavior of abusing one another through media. Stop it and work, he said at a gathering of mainly government officials who had come to congratulate him. I don't even respond to some social media activities sometimes because it doesn't have value. We have to grow. We have to respect the country. You have to respect your leader, superior, your mothers, brothers, and sisters. Stop bad activities through social media. You will destroy our country through media. Brothers and sisters, I am appealing to you, the diaspora, please stop. I have asked you today. I am from Red Army. I was young like you. Bull Mail say that. A general tieje yen wo palasheng jekten kone de gerodun ka ke re which ka South Sudan chet ke manan to ko social media yen ngwenden content chang tin ka South Sudan ke ngwenden content ka Africa ke ngwenden content rar ke tin ka diaspora eno yoze social media ga do magwa social media shala gwat kwet ka madag na rodien tin shala ri nono ajani yang men let kan de chudian lut let kan tari conflict ni negative step ke di jekti shagab nang niam ajani ruani to kwet na antika social media shit ke TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram en gwada mo ajani shagwa na chi kweten ajana shana lat nit ngwani te de wedan de janang niam te de South Sudan de janang niam te de South Sudan de je develop ki de je jaka country me de ngachi mon ajana palashan kwetka kaga tok de te bul mel te ka chong ka raja me kon ken ngwani riudi en tema ka social media shit ke TikTok che la gwat kwetka medit dag na rodien ten ami jene gwije be jiglo yang man chi rodien relaka yomi chi ko online bu kare no kut ko kwedne tijek kana mo wacha South Sudan cha ede nang niam acheng chala South Sudan ka rada ba ana rana menere wuje mo re duarun re dorun cha jede nang niam che lugame che je top kane dialan kon tin no kaje no de South Sudan der won niam ki tin no kaje no de ken rodien ger re teka ajana gan point en bul mel ajana shana respond ke ba dollar mi te mi jeng cha kwet ke je ka social media ko ngaje jengo tele jelot ko mi cha kwet tele mnonga dugno me gwa de jenok a jeni chana pi da gwa a jeni chan widan chana jelot ka chana kwar kon chana kalot netin konti de nyam dan chana mana kon chana kalot chana da mana kon chana kalot chana nyam mana kon chana kalot chana widan ke liu woine rudan ka shang jek tin konti yar ko kon ka yar ka widan ci bol mel ci raj mi shirna mo ci jalat gwad e lat ka je kwaratin pan ka shanga wero ka pairo ron kina dangro wide jen dangro wide diech aja leren goran ode nyoka yekel shuja parwe jen jin be subscribe ka Nuer online TV channel ko be leren content ba non ka be kan shwamala shubkaji ka gwasan dana pai ka nungrai gwasame biata kamal chan jegam da dien